Hey everybody, Lance the option teacher here. I'm going to go over two different break and retest wins that I took today using the SRX system. First at 10:40, we got a blue candle forming. That means we broke and retested it. I entered in the 694 calls, 3 contracts at 1.33. You can see right after it went up. I closed 2 of the 3 contracts at 1.21. And then I moved the runner for my stop at 1.21 to lock in the profits. Kept running up, got to the S2 level, and then I closed my runner at 1.47. See on the bottom here is the trade log. 3 contracts, 1.13. Closed 2 at 1.21. Closed 1, the runner at 1.47. Then later we got another setup for break and retest. This is a purple diamond. This is where you look to go short. Right here you see the break, see the retest. 694 puts, we're at 693.96 on the level. Bought 3 contracts at 1.37. Market dropped down after it. Closed 2 at 1.45. I kept the runner on, and the runner closed at pretty much the same premium that I closed my 2 contracts out. However, close out here on the up, move on this 5-minute candle at 12 o'clock Central, but it would have, if it kept dropping, make the runner make a bigger profit as well. So again, using SRX, these are 2 pretty straightforward trades. We're doing these every day on SRX. So if you're interested in swing trading or scalping, you can join us in the link in the description down below. Again, Lance the option teacher here. Hope this was helpful, and see you guys on the Discord.